algorithmic trading software systems, you don't need to understand an algorithm to use it. You don't need coding knowledge or coding experience to be able to create an algo. And you don't need to be an IT genius to be able to program one. You don't need to go online and purchase robots or buy signals. You just use ATS by trading sites powered by TEKTON, whereby you can create a strategy. You can then backtest that strategy, and you can then set it to run live whenever your strategy conditions are met, whether you're in front of your computer or not, with full risk management. Let me show you how it works. Hi everybody, so I'm going to show you how to create a strategy without having any coding knowledge or being an IT genius, just using a simple drop-down menu system to create rules for the trading strategy. So the trading strategy I'm going to show you is a very simple moving average cross. So when the moving averages cross either from above to below or below to above, so the 50 crosses either below the 200 or it crosses above the 200, we want to trade and take that trade. So as you can see here, this one would have crossed around about 6 o'clock in the morning, and you probably wouldn't have been awake at that time. So let's create the algorithm, create the strategy, and show you how simple it is that you don't need to understand algos or you don't need to have any coding experience. So we simply create new strategy. The first thing we do is add the algorithm. So we have if pre-populated already. We just say if moving average 50, so we change the number to 50, EMA crosses above the 200 moving average, the action is to buy, and that's created the algorithm for the buying condition. Now we create the sell. So if moving average 50, EMA crosses below moving average 200, EMA, the action is to sell, and that's created the condition. Now we just need to tell it how many pips of stop and how many pips of target we're looking at. So we look at a 21 pip stop and a 67 pip target. We're going to use euro dollar, and we're going to use, and we can use any currency pair, but for just speed I'm going to show you on euro dollar, and I'm going to show it on a 30-minute time frame. Now we run the test. We now test over all data, which is 2 years, or we can test over a specific period itself, so 1 day, 1 week, etc. And now we run the test. So what we're doing now is waiting for the test results, and if we're happy, then we can decide what we do from there. This one's running around about, so one CFD would be around about $10 a pip. So this one will be around $10 a pip. So whatever the result is, multiply that by 10 to give you an idea of the result. So you're actually risking 210, or you're looking at making $670 in essence. So now we've got the results. The results are here, 1,584 pips of profit. Okay, so that's 1,584 times 10, which is because it will be trading at around $10 a pip. That's 15,840. That's a really good, strong result. That would work out potentially, if we look at the profit and loss chart, you can see each period was a strong period, and over the period of calculation and over the period of the trading journey, this would have been a good, strong, profitable result. So on average, this one would probably be looking around and making about 6 to 8% per month on average. So that's a pretty good, strong result. So now if you wanted to change it and try it on another currency pair, you could. So let's just pick a random one and pick, say, dollar yen, run it again to see if you get a better result. So we do the same thing. We're on dollar yen this time, same time frame, so we just wait for that. But as you can see, you don't need any coding experience. You don't need to have any knowledge of coding. You don't need to be an IT genius. And you don't need to buy those robots and signals off the shelf, online, in the hope that they work, or they hope they work forever. You now can take control by using ATS by trading sites powered by TEKTON. So we'll just wait for this test result, and then we'll decide which one of these we're going to set it on. So we've got the result, dollar yen. Dollar yen has made 574 pips of profit. So again, you could run both of these. Okay, so as you can see, it's a little bit more up and down, but you could potentially run this one alongside your euro dollar. So let's go back to euro dollar. Let's start trading. Allow overnight trading, or you can trade for specific hours here. Start trading, and that now is a strategy that's running for you on euro dollar on a 30-minute time frame. So that's how, without coding knowledge and without any IT knowledge, just by using a simple drop-down menu, you can create a strategy, backtest it, and if you're happy and it's successful, and that this one clearly is, you set it to run live, and it will take those trades for you with full risk management moving forward any time of the day. Thanks for watching, hope you've enjoyed, and I look forward to hearing from you using the contact details you can see at the end of this video. Thank you, bye for now.